Yeah, this is Alex Carter with Carter Door-to-Door Services. Again, finished the house carpet. It's about 6 area. Now I gotta pressure wash this house and do the carpet. They got 5 area carpet. But I guess the painter is holding me up, so I gotta wait to do that. So I'm gonna pressure wash this house. Pretty much clean, but just got a lot of loose vinyl. You just gotta be careful. A lot of loose vinyl like right there. It will lift it up. I try to push it back in, and that's why I like to take videos and show you guys what's going on. The back is real nasty, pretty much. You see all the mold and mildew. You can see a lot of the vinyl is warped, got curves and stuff through them, puffing out. As you can see, I don't know if you can really make out of that, but so you got to be careful you don't hit it. The pressure wash too hard. See all this mold and stuff. That's because they have trees out here, and I guess the pine tree and everything has caused it. And then up there on the top, see it's loosening up. So you got to be careful with that when you're doing pressure washing. You know, just want to take a video, quick video, so y'all can see what I do. Push on that. See the whole back. It's almost like 2,100 square foot of house. The person that had this house, you see up there again. It's loosened up there. It's hanging out. So you got to be careful with all that. I'm gonna do that's the back. One side, and I'm gonna show you the front part of the house. I'll show you one side. You can't go out that way because you got fence and wood, so bushes and stuff. And then they want me to do their concrete also, and which let me get back and show y'all this. I'm gonna try to hit this little piece of concrete up. I got the right thing for it. I got a water sprinkler back here and one on the side of the house. Let me go around the corner. I already showed y'all this side. Let me show y'all the other side. Ooh. And then it's now about 3 o'clock, so you know they're like over here and sooner. About the end of a 5 or so. So I got about an hour and a half, 2 hours to finish this job. And then I guess they'll let me know. They got some little steep fireplace. Steep up there. Got a hit. Got loosening up there too. Gotta be careful with all that. The person had another house, a bigger house than this one, and I did all the pressure washing and the carpet. Now they want me to do the same for this one that they're moving into. They just purchased. So this is the other side of the house. So let me get started, and I'll see y'all when I'm done. Now let's go to Carter Door-to-Door Services. Doing it in Columbia. Yeah, this is Alex Carter, Carter Door-to-Door Services. Show you what I did. Went ahead and pressure washed the driveway. I got all the stuff out. The driveway has been done. And yes, I got it done late at night. Came out real clean. Look like an old concrete. They want me to just power wash it real good. Get a lot of dirt. What's that built up in there? Got that done. And I gotta get the hose and wash just a little bit. But I got the house done also. Power wash the whole house. So y'all can see. Yeah, I did a walkway. I wash the walkway. The water's settling in right there. So once it's settled in, I guess you can rinse that part off. All the green mold and everything else been gone. I haven't dried all the way up, but it's been done. No more mold or mildew. So that's done. I guess I got a spotlight that I can walk with. I'll take you out to the back, so where all the mold and stuff was at. Steps. Go to the back of the house. It's the other side of the house. All the mold and everything been gone from all of that. I guess it still look kind of wet in a certain area. Go in the back. Show you what I've done. See, all the mold is gone. That's just water spots. Guess it's still wet. Guess it was done late at night. Well, this was done earlier today. This evening, afternoon. But all the mold and everything came out real good. So I don't have to worry about that no more. Everything will come out. And I did a walkway and the driveway. Thank you. And Alice Carter, we call it door-to-door services.